Good morning students, welcome to Konnur online classes. Previous classes we can discussing the very important concept types, various type of permutation. Here type 1 problems we can choose. In this concept, here type 2, when certain number of things occurring together is more than one type. Here permutation means arrangement, combination means selection. Here NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. Here n factorial, NPR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial. N factorial is equal to n minus 1, n minus 2, so on. N minus 3, so on 2, 3 to 1 arrangement. 3 to 1 arrangement. Here, in how many, already previous classes this problem will be discussed. Here, in how many ways can 7 maths books, 8 statistic books and 4 accountancy books can be arranged in a cell if maths books are always together? Here maths books are always together. Here this is the previous problem. In this problem we take always maths books are together. Here this is a one time arrangement. Here it is a one cell. Here 7 maths books are there, 8 statistic books are there, 4 accountancy books are there. Here mixedly we can arrange total how many arrangement? 7 factorial, 8 factorial and 4 factorial are available. Here question is how many 7 maths books are always together? 7 maths books. Here 7 maths books is one type. 8 maths books is always 1, 4 accountancy books is always 1 box. Here 7 books are always occurring together means here 4 ways, 8 ways, 12 ways plus 1, 13 factorial into there are how many maths books are there? 7. That is 7 factorial. And how many statistic books are arranged? 7 ways plus 4 ways. Here this is 11 ways factorial into 8 factorial. How many 4 accountancy books are arranged together? That is here 7 plus 8, that is 15 factorial into 4 factorial. This is the previous problem. Here in this problem, in how many ways can 7 maths books, 8 statistic book and 4 accountancy books be arranged in a cell? Here type 2, when certain number of things occurring together more than one type. On the basis of this problem we can take another supporting way. In how many ways can books be arranged if books of the same subject are always together? Here consider one cell. Here 7 maths books are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6, M7. 7 maths books are there. 8 statistic books. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 statistic book. S1, S2, S3, S4, S5, S6, S7, S8 and 4 accountancy books. A1, A2, A3 and A4. Here question is how many ways can the books be arranged if books of the same subject always occurs together? Always occurs together. Here, this is a one box for maths books arrangement. Here, this is the second box for statistic arrangement. Here, this is the third box for accountancy arrangement. Here, there are three boxes are there. That's why we can take 3 factorial. 3 factorial. Here, into how many books are there in first arrangement? There are 7. 6 and 7. In first box, there are 7 books are there. Here 7 books be arranged in 7 factorial ways. In 7 factorial ways. Here in box 2, there are 8 statistic books are there. That's why we can arrange in 8 factorial ways. In the last box, there are 4 accountancy books are there. Here that's why we can take 4 factorial ways. Here, this is the first type problem. This is the second type problem. If one subject occurs together, that's why we can take here. Maths books are always together means here 7 factorial. 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13 factorial plus 7 factorial. Here, maths, statistic and accountancy books. Three variety books are always occurring together. That's why first one, second one, third one. This is the 3 boxes we can arrange separately. That's why we can take 3 factorial and 7 factorial, 8 factorial and 4 factorial. 7 factorial means first box containing 7 mathematics books. That's why we can arrange 7 books in 7 factorial ways. Second box consisting 8 statistic books. That's why we can take 8 factorial arrangement. Last one, a box containing 4 accountancy books. That's why we can take 4 factorial arrangement for accountancy books. Here, this is the type 3 problems. When no two of certain type occurs together. When no two type of certain when no two of certain type occurs together. Here, on the basis of this concept, we can take one example. In how many ways can 7 boys and 6 girls be arranged in a row if no 2 girls are together? If no 2 girls are together. That's why here this is a one row. We can choose one row. Here we can arrange 9 boys and 6 girls. 9 boys and 6 girls. Here we can take boys 1, B. B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8 and B9. Here one row, take one row here. How many ways can 9 boys and 6 girls we can arrange? If no 2 girls are together, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು at a time ಬರಬಾರದು. That's why here possibility are there. How many way of substituting the girls in between boys? Here this is a one place for substituting girl. C1 one place. Here this is also one way for substituting girls. Here this is the next way substituting. This is the 4th way for substituting. Here this is the 5th way for substituting. Here this is the 6th way. This is the seventh way, if this is eighth way, this is ninth way, and finally this is a 10th way of substituting girls in between the boys. In between boys. Here there are 10 possibilities are there to substitute girls in between the boys. If two girls are not coming at a time, that's a possibility of a way to substitute girls in between the boys are 10 way are available. Here first we can arrange B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8, B9. That's why we can arrange 9 way of substituting the boys. That's why we can take 9 factorial. 9 factorial into, there are 10 way for substituting girls. That's why 10. Here 10 ways are available, but number of girls are 6. That's why 10 possibility ways are there. 10, 3, 6. Here out of 10 there are 6 way to substitute the girl. This is our answer. Here we can simplify 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 and 10 factorial divided by 10 minus 6, that is 4 factorial. 4 factorial. Simplifying, we get the answer. Here this is a very important types. When no two of certain types occurs together, here in this way, in how many ways can 9 boys and 6 girls be arranged in a row? If no two girls, this is very important, if no two girls are together, ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾರಣಕ್ಕೂ ಇಬ್ಬರು ಹುಡುಗಿಯರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಎಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಒಂದೇ ಕಡೆ ಬರಬಾರದು. ಹಂಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ವೇ ಒಳಗೆ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, this is the way of arranging 9 boys. Here 9 factorial. There are 10 possible places are available for substituting the girls. That's why we can take 10 way, and here there are only 6 girls are there. That's why we can take 10 to 6. Here simplify, we get the answer.